Hello friends, today I will show you how to rotate an array. I will explain first of all what is the array rotation and what is for example mm, we have an array like 1 to 7 and a k number of time we will rotate means 3 time I will rotate, and I will first of all I will explain you how rotation will be work. After that I will explain the code. For example, this is the an array and n number of time we will rotate. We have given here 3. Rotation means 7 will become first and rest of all will be same. Like in an n equals to when n equals to 0, then 7 will be here and rest of all will be same. When n equals to 1, then 6 will be moved over here, from here to here, and rest will be same. And when it will be on third time, then 5 will become and 6 will be shift to right side. Same here it is will be again, if there will be 4, then again it will be 4 will become first, and after that the whole array will be shifted to right. We over here rotate in the right side of first will last will be the first element, and rest of the whole right side will be shift. Here I will explain the code. Here I have array is defined. After that k number of time, and I have this function we have written down. Here I am taking input as an array, and this is the number of times how many time we need to calculate the array. Rotation, I am calculate the actual number of rotation. Here k divided by nums dot length means 3 time it will be rotation. If there is the 7 divided by 7, then modulation will become 0. Then we don't need to any time of calculation need will be same, because all after the rotation the value will be come same. Now we have created a copy of the rotated array. New array we have created to store the rotated array, and after that we will copy the same element inside the same array. After that, copy the element from original array to the rotated array. We have putting down into the rotated array like I plus rotation divided by module nums dot length, and we have put the values. I will debug code and you will see how it is. And after that we have just simple copy the element from rotated array to back original array. Here just simple rotated array. Now I am debugging the code so you can see what is happening over here. You can see nums have containing all the 7 element and k have the 3 element. And now you can see over here the rotation value will become here k, and k is 3 and nums dot length 7 is divided by, then modulus will become 3. Now we have created a copy rotated array. Rotated array will be contain only the 0 values. Now we have putting down the values. Rotated array. You can see over here there is a 3, I is 0 and rotation is 3, then 3, and we have divided this one, then value will become 3, and in 3 we have putting down the value of I means 0 we have putting down in the 3 element, because before these 3 value will be putting down over here. You I will show you one by one. Now I is 1 and rotation is 3, and nums dot length is 7 and value is coming 7. In 7 the value is putting down the I equals to 2, because I have show you in the first round the 7 will be coming on first place and rest of the values will be same. And we have move, you can see rotated array 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4. The final value is our 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4. 3 time it will become, because after that we have copied the rotated array inside this, and values are putting down, and here you can see the output will be this, and you can see inside the console the value is same 567. That's thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please ask in the comment box. Thank you.